Choosing between SolidWorks and Fusion 360 isn't just about CAD features, it's about how you design, manage, and manufacture. SolidWorks is the industry heavyweight. It's built for mechanical engineers and large enterprises, offering advanced parametric modeling, robust assembly management, and deep integration with PLM systems. It shines in complex product design, automotive, aerospace, and industrial workflows. The trade off, it's very expensive, it requires powerful hardware, and is less flexible for hobbyists or startups. Fusion 360 by Autodesk is the cloud connected challenger. It combines CAD, CAM, and K in one platform, making it ideal for startups, makers, and small teams. Fusion 360 excels at collaboration, generative design, and integrated manufacturing workflows. It is more affordable, runs on lighter hardware, and offers subscription flexibility. The downside, it's not as mature for massive assemblies or enterprise scale projects. So SolidWorks is the powerhouse and Fusion 360 is the agile innovator.